All right, 1990 240sx hatchback with a KA24E engine. This also applies to the D21 Nissan hardbody trucks. Recently, I've had a very rough engine idling. I have a video here on the screen I can show you of what it looked like and what it sounded like. And as you can tell in the video, the whole engine is shaking, my hood is shaking, and when you sit inside the chassis, like inside the car, like it's very, very shaky. So what I did, went to the ECU in the passenger kick box, retrieved a code that was number 45, which indicated an injector leak. So what I did, I just took off the fuel rail, which is two 12mm bolts, and the injectors came off pretty easily, and right on my hand one of the gaskets broke apart. So what that indicates was obviously an injector leak, right? So I went on eBay, purchased this replacement kit, which was about $18 I think for all four, and it came in a couple of days. And I also cleaned the throttle body, which wasn't really that dirty. I cleaned my MAF sensors, changed my cold air intake. You can tell there's a new one. The previous one was very loose here, and this one's nice and tight. Also changed my spark plugs. The first one that I took out was cracked, like on the ceramics. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna change all of them. Checked my firing order. I noticed that the 2 and the 3 were switched, so I just switched them back. And I also did a smoke test with my dad. He plugged it in right through here, and I noticed there was leaks coming through right here. And right here, as you can tell, obviously, just a dried up hose happens. And there's no leaks anywhere else, so we put on a new hose clamp right here. And then this I'm still in the process of getting, which is not a big deal. But in the meantime, I changed these gaskets. There's 3 gaskets on each. So there's an O-ring here, another one in the middle, and then one that sits inside the engine block. So the previous ones were all smashed up. They were all like just cracked up and broken and just old. So I replaced them all. And when I went to start the car, the whole shaking was gone. So what it pretty much means is that the code on the ECU really did help a lot. And I hope this helps you guys too, because I know I've seen a lot of videos on this, and a lot of people in the comments were like, has anyone found a fix? Has anyone found a fix? Because everyone was kind of working their way outside and then working their way in. So reading the ECU and the passenger kick box did save me a lot of time and research. So just with a little $18 eBay kit, these gaskets went on pretty easily, fit very well. And when you'll see a video here, when I turn the car on, I'll record it like this, and the engine like does not shake like at all. Well, obviously it does have some shake, but compared to what it was in that video in the beginning, you'll see a huge difference. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully it helped you guys out. And please share, like, and comment. Share the video with anybody else who may have a similar issue like this. And hopefully it helps you guys out, and stay tuned for more 240sx videos. Summertime's coming to an end, so I'm finally be able to get this out on the road soon. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. All right, so I got the fans running. So let's give it a little start, and you'll notice it has a little shake, but compared to what it was in the first video, it's pretty much very, very smooth now. Just a pretty much straight down pipe. There's a mini high flow catalytic converter and a high flow muffler. Pretty much just a whole straight pipe all the way to the back. So let's hear it.